Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to make your iPhone battery last longer. But before going into the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Before you can learn how to save battery on your iPhone, it's important to know why it no longer holds a charge. There are several reasons this could be happening. One of them could be poor battery health. Whether you have had your iPhone for a few years or a few months, its battery health may have started to decline. Want to see how yours is doing? For this, open Settings, go to Battery Health and Charging. Here you can see the maximum capacity of your battery, which is the measure of battery capacity relative to when it was new. If your battery health is significantly degraded, consider a replacement battery to restore optimal performance. And you are done. This is how you can check battery health of your iPhone. To help your battery last longer, there are a few steps that you can do. First, I'm going to tell you how to turn on low power mode. When your battery gets to 20% or lower, your phone may prompt you to conserve power. Low power mode reduces some of your phone's functions until you can juice up, but you can also turn on this feature anytime. Just open Settings, go to Battery, and turn on low power mode. And you're done. In the next step, I'm going to tell you how to reduce push notifications. Constant app notifications can keep you connected to the world at the expense of your battery life. Do a quick audit and see which updates you can live without. Here's how. Open Settings, scroll down, go to Notifications. Then you can choose any app from the list and adjust its notifications. And you are done. In the next step, I'm going to tell you how to adjust auto lock settings. Auto lock controls the length of time before your screen turns off. To save battery life, choose a shorter auto lock setting. It's simple. For this, open Settings, go to Display and Brightness, scroll down, go to Auto Lock and choose any time except never. Experts recommend to set auto lock as 30 seconds and you're done. In the next step, I'm going to tell you how to check location services. Location services is a helpful feature that uses cell towers, Wi-Fi hotspots, GPS, and Bluetooth to pinpoint your approximate location, but these services can also burn through the battery. When turned on, your apps can access your location. Turn it off for those that don't need to know. For this, open Settings, scroll down, go to Privacy and Security, go to Location Services. You can turn off location services at the top of the screen or change the settings for each app by tapping Never or Ask Next Time or When I Share or while using the app when the option is available. And you're done. In the next step, I'm going to tell you how to turn off background app refresh. When background app refresh is turned on, apps and services constantly run in the background of your iPhone, draining your battery. Here's how to turn it off and maximize your battery life. Open Settings, go to General, scroll down, go to Background App Refresh, tap on Background App Refresh, select Off or choose to refresh apps while using Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. And you're done. I hope this video helped you in making your iPhone battery last longer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.